Emirates, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Philippines, Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman, and Singapore.
Please subscribe MacJoes TV.
Engineers, UAE. With precision and expertise, the Future UAE Chapter leads the way in chemical engineering innovations, ensuring sustainable solutions for industries and communities alike. Let's give a round of applause to Piche UAE. Next on the list, let's give a round of warm welcome to Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers, Abu Dhabi, or PSME, Abu Dhabi. Engineering, Motion, and Mechanics. The PSME Abu Dhabi Chapter embodies excellence in mechanical engineering, ensuring efficiency and advancement in every building process. With ingenuity and technical mastery, PSME UAE and Riyadh chapters continues to propel the mechanical engineering profession forward, ensuring. And now let us welcome UAE. Let us welcome once again the Philippine Institute of Industrial. Let's give our best applause and shout for this next organization. And we welcome another international representatives from Institute of Electronics Engineers of the Philippines. From to be here in Abu Dhabi today. We have ICP Qatar, Oman, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and we have Philippine Society of
Saudi,
Engineers, UAE.
Dami pala.
Filipino civil engineers shaping the infrastructure of tomorrow. PIC UAE.
Dapat na i-muse.
With the Philippine Technological Council. Participating countries, United Arab Emirates, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Philippines, Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman, and Singapore.
That is an ASEAN engineer by distinction. He has played a pivotal role in the growth and success of PICE.
You look out to see a different skyline. You see the ADGM which is representative of the financial, investment, and business center that has been established here, and now where the fulcrum of the global economy is now dito na sa Middle East.
Ganyan ka naman eh. Ah, ikaw ang sumundo, no? O kayo?
Nagaguluhan at nagagandahan.
Saan ba itong ano? Pila na to? Sweet pala to eh. Ah, doon. Dito pala ang pila, oh. Tara. Kapila ba to sila?
Around 5 years straight, they moved to independent practice. That was my first independent practice. The next independent practice was around 9 to 10 years, they moved to the international. With that, this created in me something that I always said, I am a professional engineer. Because I have that not just broad-based, but I have that comprehensive, in-depth, mathematical, physical, and majority of the allied sciences in the engineering that is always applicable to special engineering. Next slide. Okay. Here's the synopsis of what I said I gave. I just like to have a micro viewing in which I emphasize that I have skill. Now I like this the word skill because oftentimes when somebody asks what is skill, we have difficulty defining it. If you have already reached the favorite specialist, you should be able to define what skill is. Then I incorporate in my synopsis as my specialty, which is about a so-called highly demographic, in which statistics and informatics are involved.
We have a debate with feedback over there. We use a fellow engineer instead of consultant engineer. We have a debate because we believe consultant is a job. So after being a professional engineer or chartered, you become a fellow. So what do you think? Should we keep it as a consultant?
That question kanina. A-grade ba yun? Ang hinahanap natin doon? I think asking what will be the, or maybe we can do it, what is the benefit to become an advanced level engineer?
Kind of seminars that I attended in Dubai, they are saying that if you are planning for your building to be a green certified, and so there is a kind of requirements, minimum requirements that you have. For example, in the roof, if I remember correctly, it's around 30% of the roof should be kind of green. May not be architecturally good, but at the end it's about that energy we are talking about here. It's about the energy conservation through this application of simple but very effective to minimize the energy. They are the people, of course, people are rejecting heat. Lights are rejecting heat. So intentionally I put the lights just to present that such lights nowadays, I knew that, for example, in this room, they are using now LEDs. LEDs because it's really a less consumption, less energy consumption compared to conventional lights. Here we can see the street lights.
Agenda time. May laman ba dyan? May laman? Wala. Wala. Dito lang pala nilalagay nila. Coffee break. Aba, nauna ka pa dyan ah. Ah. Oh, welcome to my vlog. Oh, karon vlogger na sad. Wa ka nagkakuan kanina, nag-question ako ko dito. Oh, nag-question ko dito.
Watching right now, you guys are so proud as well. So I'm showcasing your contribution anyway. So thank you, Philippine Qatar. And then let's have the Doha Metro.
Passport.
Doha Metro is now a lifeline for many residents. Filipino engineers took part in these initiatives like developing design compliant to the sustainability requirements, finding solutions and alternatives. Right. Let's have a quick practical scenario, which I would say how Filipino engineers there collaborate, or I would say how important is collaboration in Qatar in a form of a short story. Okay. So this new value thing, this was shown to us by Engineer Shahid. Let's start with the challenges faced by Filipino engineers there in Qatar. Okay? While our contributions are remarkable, the journey
from the organizing committees that every week we have this regular meeting, we have to deal and pag-usapan lahat ng kailangan namin to come up with this event. We would like to also give thanks sa ating Philippine Technological Council, headed by President Federico Gonzaga. Let's give a round of applause. And also sa country registrar namin, Engineer Romulo Agamet. Thank you very much. Also sa ating Presidential Advisor for PTC MEDA, Engineer Crescent Bustamante. And sa inyong lahat, mga professional na inhinyero, maraming salamat.
I say UAE, is it? It's 3 to only.
Alright, once again, congratulations to UK company afterwards for your details, and this is going to be valid for 1 year. So yeah, whenever you're going to go back to the Philippines again, you can avail it. This is good for 2 people, 3 days and 2 nights going to El Nido, Palawan. Thank you.
Pag wala ba dito, forfeit na?
Forfeit.
As a match list. Okay, so they're having a meeting.
Distrito.
So that's a match list. Sir.
For 3 days and 2 nights, going to Boracay. Goes to Engineer Alvaro.
Engineer Alvaro,
Engineer Kasaw.
Engineer Alvaro. So solong Alvaro naman si Ma'am, no? So what are you doing at that point? So Engineer Oh, Engineer Distrito.
Engineer Distrito po muna for Filipino, Palawan.
days in Luna is courtesy by Blockbuster Travel and Tourism.
And of course, the one who will be enjoying 3 days and 2 nights in Boracay, Angier Alvaro. Congratulations, ma'am.
She is also a member of Las Damas de Rizal in Abu Dhabi.
Uy!
The ever active engineer.
Ganyan ka naman eh. Ah, ikaw ang sumundo, no? O kayo. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.